Good Morning Angels.
Jacaranda FM.
And a bit of a bumper edition this morning. Let me start by saying good morning to Jamie. Jamie, thanks for joining us. I believe that you're quite a talented rugby player out of the Eastern Cape, is that right?
Yes.
And you study sports management at TUT, so sports in the are, soos hulle sê, in the veins.
Ja, is in die veins, is in die are.
En wat se posisie speel jy?
Ek speel loskakel heel agter en buitesenter.
Okay, agterlyn. En jou studies by TUT, hoe gaan dit?
Dit gaan goed, ek is in my derde jaar die jaar.
Dis baie goed.
Die eksamens skryf die jaar te ek seer gekry het, so ek het daai jaar herhaal laas jaar.
Yes, like man, vertel my van daai besering. I know that you got hurt quite badly. What is the problem?
Ja, in 'n rugbywedstryd met die Varsity Shield het ek 'n open fracture gekry by my tibia en die been het uitgekom.
Eina.
Not a pretty sight.
Nee.
Ja.
En wat het toe gebeur? Is jy hospitaal toe geneem?
Ja, ek was hospitaal toe geneem. Dit het 'n operasie gedoen, maar dit was 'n sukses, maar die infeksie wou nie weggaan nie.
Wanneer het hierdie gebeur?
Die 1 Maart 2024.
Okay, so dit is ook al
'n rukkie terug.
meer as 'n jaar terug. Now imagine this, 21 years old, so talented, got a bursary to study sports management at TUT, talented rugby player. Hoe kan hulle die probleem nie uitsorteer nie?
Die infeksie bly terugkom, so met die operasie wat ons hopelik nou gaan doen die 18de, gaan hulle die debridement doen en die been skoonmaak en alles, dan sal ek seker in die hospitaal wees vir 6 weke sodat hulle die infeksie kan uitkry.
Ons moet jou van hierdie krikke afval. Hoeveel kos die prosedure? Ek neem aan dit is seker nou nie iets wat nou nie gratis kom nie, want it's private and a specialized treatment. So what are we looking at here?
Ek het geen idee van wat die presiese prys gaan wees nie.
Maar dit is seker 'n hele paar R1000.
Ja, ek weet dit gaan baie duur wees.
Yeah, you know what? We've got such amazing people in our family, as to say, here at Jacaranda FM and Good Morning Angels, Operation Healing Hands. You know, they are definitely one of them, and they pick up cases much like Jamie's, where specialist attention is needed to change someone's life. And Jamie, as ek reg as ek sê, as hierdie been van jou weer normaal en gesond is, dit sal jou lewe weer verander.
Ja, dit sal definitief my lewe verander.
Ek het 'n bedrag, het iemand vir my 'n bedrag gefluister. We're looking at just like probably upwards towards 60,000 rand needed for this surgery in reality. That's what you're looking at. Jamie, op die ander lyn het ons baie goeie vriend aan die stasie en die program. Part of our Feel Good family for sure is Maria Pavli from Lotto Star. Maria, are you well?
I'm good, thanks. How are you guys doing?
Good, thank you. So listening to a story of this young man, he really should be using both those legs, being on a rugby field, being active, studying sport.
Our wish for Jamie is that he hits the rugby field, enjoying every part of the sport.
How can we jump in and help?
Along with Operation Healing Hands and obviously our favorite Good Morning Angels, we'd like to give Jamie the outstanding 63,000 rand for his operation.
Jamie, dit is allemaal goeie nuus, daai 63,000 rand komplimente van Lotto Star.
Ek is baie dankbaar aan Lotto Star en almal wat help met die besering wat ek deurgaan.
Jamie, alles van die beste, sterkte vir jou. Maria, bless you. Good job, Lotto Star. Good job. Thank you for being an angel once again. You're going to make a difference in this young man's life.
Thank you so much. We couldn't do it without you, and of course our players at Lotto Star. We really just hope that Jamie gets the surgery he needs and has a speedy recovery. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Maria. Bye-bye, Jamie. Alles van die beste, sterkte hoor.
Thank you very much.
Good job, Angels. Good job, Lotto Star. But wait, there's more.
Breakfast with Martin Bester.
Martin Bester, I arranged my meetings around his show. I just enjoy his vibe.
Jacaranda FM.